Hello everyone, I am Preeti Nagi, and today we all are looking for one thing in our life. We all are looking for some positive impact. We are all are looking for some positive vibes. We are looking for positive era, positive energy. Because of this, some vibes like Corona, we all are facing some energies. We all are facing some negative vibes, negative energies. To overcome it, we need to learn, we need to carry our life, we need to carry this thing on within a positive energy, within a positive vibes. But the main fact is how to do this. Everyone is so depressed, everyone is feeling so bad, everyone is affected so much with this vibes that they are like, what is happening in our life? I am feeling depressed, I am feeling like my work is not going on, my study is not going on, my colleges are not going on. Means everyone has his own impact, everyone has affected much with this corona vibes. So the basic point is how to stay positive, how to smile, how to bring that happiness back into your life, because we literally don't know when this gonna over. We literally don't know about it when this corona going to get over. So we have to adopt our life like this only. So today we are going to discuss. Today I am going to give some tips how to be a positive person, how to stay happy in your life, how to always keep smiling and spread positivity around. So the very first point I'm going to discuss about is be a person, be a person who stays away from the past. The past is a very one thing. The past is a very one point. I always considered it. The past is a very sensitive issue of everyone's life. Past is a very sensitive issue of everyone's life. Some people kind feel touchy, some people feel depressed, some people feel happy, some people feel sad. But how to stay active and positive? To stay positive, you have to use the vibes. You don't have to be in past. Don't have to think about it. You have to use the vibes. You have to use the vibes in a very positive way. Don't let your past affect your future. This is a natural and this is accepted agenda, right? But how to let your positive vibes, how to let the positive past affect your future? If I experience something very good in the past, I have very good experience in the past, then I feel energized. I will feel happy thinking about it. That means you are getting good and positive vibes from your past. But the past which belongs to very sad story, the past belongs to very deep and inner effect, you don't have to think about it. You literally don't have to think about it. Yes, I am talking about some selective issues that you can carry it on, some selective issues that you cannot carry it on. But yes, this is an acceptable thing. If you keep on pursuing the things which you were doing in the past, if you were keep digging out what you have done in the past, then it will definitely gonna affect your future. Past have to be a past. You don't have to curse yourself for what you have done in the past. Instead, learn the lessons from the past, have a good experience from the past, take lessons and improve yourself, improve the way you have tackled the situation, and then keep it with yourself as a positive vibe. This is the way how you tackle with your past. This is a way how to carry the things on in your life. The second point I want to discuss is we have many limitations in our life. We have many boundaries in our life. We have many hurdles in our life. But to stay positive and to be energized, to be a happy person in your life, what you have to do is you have to limit your weakness, you have to limit the boundaries and accept it is in a positive way. Like if I'm doing something in life which is giving a positive vibe to me, if I am pursuing something which is giving some positive vibe, positive agenda to me, so to stay positive, keep on doing that work, keep on interacting with that person which is giving you positive vibes, and lower down your contact from the persons which are giving you negative vibes. The person which are negative which always give you negative vibes, and the person with whom you are feeling positive will always give you happiness. So stay away from the people which are giving you some negative vibes and be in touch with the people which are survivals of your life and which is giving you happiness. The third point I want to discuss is about Be a good communicator. To feel the positive vibes, to away from the negative vibes. So what you have to do is be a good communicator. But a very positive person around yourself, the person whom you trust a lot. Okay, the person whom you trust a lot. Check out that person. Interact with the person. Communicate your feelings, your happiness, your sadness, your negative thing, your impact, your day out, anything you want to discuss. When you will discuss your good things, you will feel happy. When you discuss your bad things, your bad day, any impact, even then you feel relaxed after discussing that. So the very first thing is be a good communicator. Express yourself, express your positivity, express even the negative vibes. Why so? Because it will give you relaxation. So this is a very best thing and best agenda to stay positive in life. Why so? Because you are expressing yourself. The fourth point I want to discuss with you is stop blaming other people for your work. Never blame other ones for your work. Whatever you are doing in your life, whatever you're pursuing in your life, whatever mistakes you have done in your life, whatever good things you have done in your life, don't blame other person. It was only you. It was your decision. Whatever you have done, it's just because you want to do it. Don't blame other person for that. We all have that capability. We all have that mental stability that whatever we are working, it's because of our wish. Play this game where I've done this just because of you, and whatever happening in my life is just because of you. We are doing nothing. We are just playing a blame game to just relieve our burden that whatever I've done was not my mistake, it was someone else's mistake. So whatever you're doing, you're not learning from mistakes. You're just playing a blame game and spreading the negativity around. When we play blame games, it's just because we're just spreading negativity around, and which is the very first thing I recommend you don't ever do it. Why you don't ever do it? Because you're spreading negativity, and negativity ultimately brings back your negativity. So stay away from this thing. Accept your mistakes. Accept whatever mistakes you have done. Accept whatever wrong work you have done, wrong thing you have done, wrong step you have taken, and accept that. Learn from it, and promise yourself, I won't do this again. So this will give you some positive thing. Yes, I am learning from my mistakes, and also you will be able to spread your aura as a positive vibe. The fifth point I want to share with you is to stay happy, stay positive, and for that, you need to find out a reason of happiness in your life. Nobody will come to you and say, do this thing and you will stay happy. Like I am just giving you some tips. So it's not like that I'm giving you a tips and you will apply it and you will stay happy. No, you have to adopt all the things, you have to adopt the agendas, apply in your life, and then I can say, yes, you've applied this thing and then you're happy. Listening to me, listening to positive things won't give you happiness. But yes, you can develop the energy around. So applying the things and applying the agendas in your life, then you can say, yes, I'm feeling happy because you are removing the negativity around. Removing the negativity around, keeping yourself in a positive environment obviously give you a positive vibe and happy vibes. So pursue the things that's giving you happiness, pursue the things that's giving you the love, affection, and be with the people who are sharing the love and care for you. Share your feelings with the people whom you trust a lot in your life. That's all will give you happiness in life. Will definitely. So these are the all things I am doing in my life to stay happy. These are the all things which I am pursuing and accepting my mistakes. I never blame anyone for my mistake because it's only my decision. So I am the one who need to be blamed. So I accept my mistakes. That's the same thing. I want you to do that. So stay happy in your life, stay positive in your life. I will definitely try to share more things. I'll definitely try to share more tips with you, more thought process of mine. Because what I'm doing is I'm just sharing my thought process with you and recommend you to do the same. Because stay happy in your life, and be positive in your life is all I wanted from you. Much for listening to me and listening to me patiently as well. You have liked my channel, you have subscribed my channel. I am very grateful to you. Share the video with more people if you found it worthy. So spread the happiness around. Stay happy, stay positive, and do value the relations you have earned in your life. Till then, thank you. Tata. Bye bye.